Guys, 2015 Veloster. We did cat back 2.5 into blast pipes. He brought in himself right there, as you guys can see, and it's turbo. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Scott, can you hold, please? Go ahead. What do you guys think? We had to make a custom Y pipe and everything. We were so busy with would have done the bottom of it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 114. Go ahead. It sounds pretty good. I like it. It's different. Sound is completely different than normal. We'll see how long he lasts before he wants to take them off. There's the stance of it. Veloster Turbo. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Veloster Turbo with blast pipes. It's just that angle of those tips, man. They always change the sound so much on these things. That's why they call them blast pipes. Hope you guys like it. We sure do. And it is turbo. That's awesome. Hope you guys like it.